All right, this is a Spigold tree. Spigold, a little bit susceptible to fire blight, so heads up if you're trying to grow it. But it's a cross between Yellow Delicious and Red Spy, and it's October 10th today, and we got some that are ready to eat. I think this one's a little bit abnormal, but I can go ahead and pick it. So yeah, Spigold, very is a dense, considered to be a more dense apple. It is really good for fresh eating, but also is well known for being a good baking apple since it's dense and it holds its form. But yeah, it's October 10th today in central New York, and they're ready to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. Mm. Oh yeah. So, um, nice flavor, very sweet, and a little bit tart as well, what you would expect from a spy apple. Let's see if I can find a prettier apple. There we go. Here's a nice big one. They can get pretty big. This one isn't blushed because it wasn't out in the sun. I'll take a bite of this one too. But yeah, very tasty. Dense apple. Supposed to be a good storing apple. I'm not sure how long. But yeah, this is Spy Gold.